Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rubber pop filter for your microphone. As you can see, we have made a circle on a sponge using a marker, and you can see this, my friends, just using the black marker to make a circle. And we have purchased this sponge for 30 cents or something. It's for washing, what do you call it? Crockery items, yes. Now we are going to use a scissor to make a circle. Using a steel ruler to just carve out the sponge from that circle that we created. I have been having a lot of issues with sound, my friends. A lot of people have been complaining, so hopefully this rubber pop filter will fix those issues. Carving it out slowly and gently, and we didn't have a soldering pipe or something, a soldering device to just easily make a hole in this sponge, so we are using scissor and a steel ruler. I'm sorry, my friends, there is the weather is too hot, and we have put on a pedestal fan and that's the sound right now coming from the pedestal fan. Working really hard on this. Using the steel ruler expertly, taking out the chunk of sponge. So you have to be patient with this, my friends. It's something that is not easy, to be honest with you. You have to be patient and disciplined. Now trying to insert the microphone, trying to create more space for it perhaps. Do it yourself method, DIY method, how to make a rubber sponge pop filter for your a sponge pop filter for your microphone. You can do it in your home, my friends. and now you can enjoy some high quality voice. Removing the the lower side of the detergent sponge detergent. Using the steel ruler, my friends. Working really hard, but it can easily be removed. As you can see, we are successful. I don't have money to buy blue snowball. I don't have any money, to be honest with you. I have to work with this to be honest. Blue Yeti, I don't have money to buy that, to be honest with you. I'm just going to use this rubber sponge pop filter. Sponge pop filter for better sound quality, to be honest with you. Why not? Have to find a way, to be honest. Using the marker and the scissor now to cut out the dimensions. Using the scissors, my friends. Cutting out, shaping it properly using the scissor. That rough sheet, removing that rough sheet. Look at it, my friends. It's completed. I've completed it. It's properly fitted on my microphone according to its size. Perfect. Okay guys, I have colored this pop filter, rubber pop filter for the microphone with golden color marker. Look at it. It looks pretty beautiful now. You can also color it with black color marker as well as silver color marker, any marker color, and you can have your own custom DIY pop filter, rubber pop filter for your microphone, any size. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.